Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. So before we get into this video, don't forget to check out my Instagram. If you guys ever have any prayer requests, you can leave one on my Instagram. I also have a TikTok, I have a blog, I have an Etsy shop, so if you guys want to check out any of those, they will be linked down below. But today I'm so excited for this video. I actually found this random binder in my loft the other day because I went upstairs to just look around the loft because I was bored in isolation. I was like, what can I do? So I just went and looked in the loft and I found this binder, and I actually got this when I lived in Florida like so long ago, but it's filled with like so much paper in it, and I was like, oh my word, I have to do something with this. I can't just leave it blank. So I thought in today's video I would bring you along on my journey of making a DIY prayer binder, and I'm so excited for this. I've seen so many people make prayer binders on Pinterest, on Instagram and things like that, and I've always wanted to do it, but I just never like had a binder. And you did it right from the start. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to make your own prayer binder and come with me along on this journey, then continue watching. So what you're going to need for this DIY firstly is any type of binder with some paper, some blank paper for the cover, a Bible for some Bible verses, and all the amazing pens. So I'm just writing out what sections I want to have in my prayer binder. These are some things that are really important to me that I want to make sure that I'm praying for. So yeah, you can personalize it and make it your own. So I just wrote out a list of the different things that I want to include in my prayer binder. So I wrote future section, friends, family leaders, personal prayers, prayers answered. These are just things that I definitely want to put in my binder so that I can look back on it. The main reason I wanted to create this prayer binder is because I know it's going to be something incredible to look back on in like 5 or 10 years time. I'm going to be able to see like all the prayers that God has answered, like all the prayers that I was asking for like years ago. It's just such a good reminder. And also I want to continue in the habit of journaling and really writing out my prayers, because that's the way that I feel closer to God, is when I write out my prayers, and I haven't done this for a while. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out this piece of paper from inside here, and I'm going to put my own piece of paper in and design it and make it my own, and just make a cute cover for the front because I love aesthetically pleasing things and I think it's cute to personalize stuff. So that is what I'm going to do first. So right here I'm just choosing some inspiration pictures from Pinterest. I absolutely love Pinterest. I decided to go with this rainbow. I feel like rainbows are so in at the moment, especially like the more aesthetic colours of the rainbow, more like pastel colours. So I decided to go for this for my cover of my prayer binder, and yeah, I really hope it turns out the way I like it. And next I'm going to make all the different sections in my prayer binder, and I'm going to do a voiceover and show you guys what I get up to. So if you don't have your own tabs, you can really simply just get some post-it notes and write what section you're wanting to write, and then you just stick it on, and it's really simple. This part was so fun for me. This is my finished product of all my pages. You can personalize it, make it however you want. Hey guys, so I have officially finished my prayer binder. I'm so happy with it. I love how everything looks inside, and I feel like I have all my different sections now, and I'm so excited to start writing in this. I hope you guys can make your own as well and get started on your journey with prayer. Prayer is so important and it's so powerful. It's just like a conversation between you and God. So when I pray, I just talk to God as if he is my best friend, because he is. I'm like, sometimes I'm like, Lord, at the moment I feel a bit crap, like please can you fill me with your peace and comfort, or like, Lord, please can you give me peace today, I'm feeling a bit anxious, or just anything. It's just like a conversation between you and God. He is always there for you. He's always listening 24 hours a day, and that is the amazing thing about prayer, that God is always listening, and he will answer your prayers in one way or another. It might not always be the answer that you're looking for, but in the end it's the answer that God has for you, and he works everything together for good. So he may answer your prayer in a different way than you necessarily want him to, but at the end of the day he knows the bigger story, he knows the bigger purpose of our lives, and that's what I absolutely love about prayer. And I'm so excited to look back on these prayers in the future and see the amazing things that God has done. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.